A very good morning to all of you. So guys, I welcome you all on www.yourtradingguide.com, and I am your trading guide. So guys, how's your weekend going on? Yes, so enjoying a lot because it's a long weekend of 3 days. Same here guys, same here. I'm also enjoying it a lot, and the purpose is to shortlist some stocks before the market opens on Monday. And always you should have some 2-3 stocks, 4 stocks in your pocket before the market opens, so that you can apply your strategies, your entry setups on those stocks whenever you get an entry. So some interesting thing I found on the Infosys, that's why I decided to come with this stock. And this is the weekly chart, and this is the chart from tradingview.com, and I opened a chart of Infosys on the weekly chart. And let me go to the monthly first. Today we'll look at the broader view of the stock, and then we'll gradually shift to the shorter time frames. Fine. So if I see here, okay guys, if I see here, what I can see is this was the previous high, all-time high of the Infosys, and that was of 1279, and now it has made a high of 1221. So about 60 points apart from the all-time high. Fine. So what we have to do is, if I go back to the weekly chart, I can say yes, there is a level on the weekly chart also. This was the high, and it is approaching those highs very soon. But the interesting thing I found on the daily chart is that you can see this candle. Everybody can see this candle? Yes guys. Okay, so this is the candle where I can clearly see that buyers tried to push the prices higher, but eventually they failed and price closed lower. So this is also a candlestick pattern which is called as a shooting star, or hammer kind of pattern. So one thing is very obvious or very sure, that yes, the prices of Infosys is finding some it is finding some selling pressure on the higher level. Okay, and this is the candle, a small candle which it has formed on the Thursday trading session. Fine. So my sense is that this is something which is hinting us, which is indicating us that no, something is fishy. The prices might finding some resistance over the higher levels. So I also need some kind of confirmation before I jump into the trade. So for that purpose I added a RSI, that is relative strength index, to get a clearer picture. And what I found here is that you can see RSI is making a double top pattern. Okay, so it is stagnated and forming a double top pattern which is heading lower. And while this is forming this, what the prices are doing, if this was the high, the prices are heading higher, but the RSI is eventually not heading higher. Means actual buying is not coming into the picture. Number one. Second thing is that if I add a Bollinger Band over it, what I am going to add is Bollinger Band. Yes guys, we'll discuss about the indicators in detail in later videos, but let first understand this and try to get a hang over it. Okay guys, so I'm making it a 2 so that the visibility can be high. And if you can see, this was the period of the contraction which was going on, and eventually the price has expanded over the Bollinger Band, and this is the final where it has formed a shooting star. Okay, so if price starts falling, what should be the first target? The first target will be this mean of the Bollinger Band, which is about 109091 levels. Fine, but only a daily confirmation is not needed. Let me go to the higher time frames, and if I go to the weekly time frame, I can see the same picture over here. Yes, it is hitting the upper edge of Bollinger Band and heading higher. So the chances of the price to come down is higher. Okay, so what my sense is ki price should come till about 109091 levels, but this is a stock which we have screened, and IT has been into a fantastic move, into a great bull market since here, when the IT has bottomed out, and slowly and gradually it is moving up, and finally and underperforming sector reached to its all-time high. So that is the beauty of stock market. Means anything which can come down can go up, and anything which can go up can come down. So I'm not bearish on the IT or the Infosys. Just my point here is that before it starts its fresh journey, as per the technical analysis, some correction is due, and that might come till about 1090 or 91 odd levels. Okay, and that is about 80-85 points down from the current market price. So as a swing trader or as a day trader, we can grab this opportunity, number one. And if you are a long term investor and you are not confident while shorting these stocks which are into a strong uptrend, what you can do, you can wait for the prices to come around 1091 or 1100 odd levels, and there you can plan your entries for long term. I mean, you can buy around those levels. So these are the ways which we can look at trading. And see, everybody is a different trader. I am not like someone, and someone is not like me. Everybody has his or her own individual talent, individual forte on something. So everybody is a different trader. So you cannot copy anyone, or I cannot copy anyone. Just we need to follow a path till the time we don't reach and we don't discover our own way of or our own style of trading. Okay, so guys, try to be yourself, and sooner or later you will discover that what are the things working for you, what are the things not working for you, and accordingly you will lead your journey of the trading. So all my wishes are always with you. Have a very happy and fantastic trading. All the very best. Bye. Take care, guys.